Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be exploring the intriguing process of microtubule assembly. Let's jump right in. Microtubules are one of three principal components of the cytoskeleton. A microtubule is composed of tubulin dimers consisting of two closely related polypeptides called alpha and beta tubulin. Tubulin dimers polymerize into protofilaments assembled around a hollow core. Tubulin dimers polymerize at the plus end of a microtubule. The polymerized tubulin dimers form a sheet that zips up into the mature microtubule just behind the region of growth. The tubulin dimers that add to the microtubule are bound to GTP. The tip of the microtubule contains tubulin dimers that are also bound to GTP. The rest of the microtubule consists of tubulin bound to GDP. Shortly after new tubulin dimers are added to the microtubule, GTP is hydrolyzed to GDP. The hydrolysis of GTP follows the growth of the microtubule. If the concentration of GTP-bound tubulin decreases, new subunits are added more slowly, and GTP hydrolysis catches up to the end of the microtubule. GDP-bound tubulin has a weaker binding affinity for its neighboring molecules than GTP-bound tubulin does, and the presence of GDP-bound tubulin at the end of the microtubule leads to its disassembly and shrinkage. The alternation between cycles of growth and shrinkage is called dynamic instability. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more informative content.